How about Ingenious India?
That's one of our topic as far as cap goods sector or infra sector is concerned. So Engineers India, what we have seen is that the order books is very pretty robust right now at 12,000 crore rupees, which is almost 3x the FY23 revenue. Uh, the annual profit which the company churn out is around 450-500 crore, trading at a less than 20 price to earning multiple. So what we believe is that the fair value of Engineers India is more than 200 rupees. And if somebody is a slightly a longer term investor and have got an investment horizon of 6 to 12 months, he should definitely plow his money in Engineers India with a price target of 200 over the next 6 to 12 months.
Right. Let's discuss Ingenious India in a bit of detail. The company, of course, is a PSU stock and has been doing pretty well over the last 6 odd months. If you see the chart, we had seen a low of about 74, 75 rupees somewhere in April of this year, and now at 149. Of course, if you look at the all-time high, the stock is about 270, but those prices were seen in the month of May of 2010. So we are far away from that. The most immediate high on the charts, on a monthly chart, is somewhere like December 2017, when you saw a price of 203. But the stock is on a gallop, and like all PSUs that have been under owned and underappreciated, we've seen a very, very strong move coming in. But even at these levels, the price earnings is just 20. If you see the market capitalization, it's at about 8,400 crores. And the previous 12-month earnings are in the vicinity of 415 to 420 crores. Let's look at some other details. The trailing 12-month revenue is about 3,300 crores, and the company is debt free. That's a very big positive. And it specializes, Ingenious India specializes in drawing up refineries and projects for India's oil marketing companies, and of course has a very, very strong footprint in the Middle East. This was about Ingenious India, Mr. Agarwal. Anything in the railway space that catches your fancy, which is already buzzing and could probably see better days?
Among the railway, I like RVNL Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Current market price is around 125, 130 rupees. Recently, government did OFS also, and it was closed near to the price band of 121, 122 rupees. The current market cap is around 26,000 crore rupees. And if I look at financial number, FY23 was the year where company posted around 20,000 crore top line, 1,400 crore bottom line with an EBITDA margin of around 6 to 7%. And if I look at order book, it's a pretty robust, currently at 55,000, 60,000 crore. So this provides a pretty healthy visibility of revenue over next 18 to 24 months. On the top of that, company has recently won an order to supply Vande Bharat coaches to the Indian Railways. The commercialization of the same is likely to begin after 24 months. So that will again add kicker for earning growth in FY25 and 26 onward. So pretty long visibility in terms of earning for RVNL. Obviously, one of the key beneficiary of the capex by one of the key beneficiary of capex spent by the Indian government on the railways. And I feel that in terms of valuation, again,
Right.
it's trading very cheap. So at current market price, the market cap is 26,000 crore. And what we believe is that in next 2 years, the company has got a potential to deliver profit of around 1,800 crore rupees. So again, very cheap on valuation front, price to earning multiple below 20x, debt free company. So what we believe is that the fair value of this business is around 200 rupees, and again, it should be part of your portfolio to ride on the railway growth story of India.
Right. Rail Vikas Limited is, of course, again a government PSU. It undertakes project development and implementation, as well as also provides resources for mobilizing this kind of a business. They do doubling of lines, gauge conversion, railway electrification workshops, etc. And Mr. Agarwal has very rightly pointed out it has a price earnings of just 18, and of course a price to book of about 3.5. Let's get Mr. Jani into the conversation and try to get a feel of how RVNL looks on the charts. Remember, the OFS was very well subscribed, and the all-time high that we've seen on the counter is somewhere like 140, 145. Let's ask Mr. Jani about his technical inputs on RVNL.
Yes. So if we check RVNL chart, recently we have seen a very super move on daily time frame. Stock price gave a breakout somewhere around 80, 82, and then we have seen in a very short time stock price has touched is 140, 148 level. Since then, this happened in May 2023. Till now, we have seen a stock price is trading into the a very small range of 130 to 112. Last time also we have discussed RVNL. That was the day when the OFS is announced and action is going on. Currently, we are seeing that RVNL chart is very smooth. Price actions are taking a support at 20 days and 50 days moving average. Considering the daily chart price and the volume and the momentum indicator, we would like to go long. The stop loss would be below 120. And looking at current market price and looking at the rectangle pattern, if stock prices continue sustaining above 125, then there are very good chances that prices again retest its all-time high somewhere around 140. So looking at risk-reward ratio and current chart setup, we would like to go long. I'm repeating, 120 would be the stop loss, or any level below 120 would be the stop loss, and target will be above 140.
That's a wonderful view. You can look at 140 on RVNL.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.